to our students graduating this spring semester. I want to personally congratulate you on this significant milestone. I certainly am aware that this semester turned out in a way no one could have imagined. And while you will complete your final weeks as a student online, I hope you had a meaningful and productive experience at Bowling Green State University. Unfortunately, these are unprecedented times, and given Ohio's restrictions and the CDC's recommendations to combat COVID-19 spread, we must reschedule our commencement ceremonies for a later date this summer. I will be sharing this announcement with our university community later today, but I believe you should hear it from me first. At Bowling Green State University, commencement is a culminating celebration, recognizing your hard work both inside and outside the classroom. And while these events are delayed, they will not be canceled. You and the entire class of 2020 deserves the opportunity to celebrate this significant moment, your accomplishments, and BGSU plans to just do that at a later date. As president and as a parent of a student who is graduating with you this spring, and as a BGSU alumnus, I'll let you know we did not take this decision lightly. All of you will soon be BGSU alumni, and on behalf of the faculty, staff, and the 187,000 alumni, congratulations. I look forward to wearing this regalia with you on the commencement stage. Please know that Bowling Green will always be your home. Ai Ziggy Zumba.